Yo guys, I gotta be real with you right now. I just made $18,000 in the last 3 days trading these iron ore markets, and honestly, you should check this out too because the numbers are going absolutely crazy and I'm still shaking from how fast it happened. While everybody else is just watching the news 2 days late and confused, smart people on these forecast platforms are literally staking real money every single hour as the probabilities keep shifting like crazy in front of our eyes. Over $529 million has already been thrown into these Iran contracts, and I'm telling you the biggest moves are happening right now as we speak, and it's honestly mind-blowing how fast everything is moving. Just the next Supreme Leader market alone has $18 million traded already. Mojtaba Khamenei is sitting strong at 59%, while poor Alireza Arafi completely collapsed down to only 12%, and the shift is wild. And don't even get me started on the regime fall contracts because they're surging past 42% right now. That means if the government actually collapses, these positions could easily pay 10 times or even more, and I'm seeing it live. Iran, closing the Strait of Hormuz by March 31st, is sitting at 78% on the markets. Oil hitting $110 this month is looking more and more likely every single hour, and the ripple effect would be massive. Early people who jumped on these exact contracts are already up 5 to 20 times their money, and one whale turned just $50,000 into over $1 million in just a few days. It's actually happening right now. I'm telling you, the fog of war is creating brand new millionaires every single day, while the regular news channels are still trying to catch up to what these markets already figured out days ago. The same exact live markets are now running on this one trusted platform that is so much faster than Polymarket. No annoying delays, no KYC walls, just pure real-time data that actually keeps up with how fast things are moving. You literally just open Telegram, drop in some SOL or ETH in like 10 seconds, and boom, you're looking at the exact same Supreme Leader, Hormuz, oil, and even BTC 5-minute markets that all the big whales are using right now. The updates are instant, and when the event finally resolves, you get paid out immediately. That's exactly how I turned a small position into $18,000 in just 3 days, and I'm still in shock. Whales from Dubai and Singapore are already moving their huge money over here because time is literally everything when the probabilities are shifting this fast every single hour of the day. Oil could literally double if Hormuz closes, and those regime fall contracts could pay 10 times or even more. This is seriously how normal people are turning into millionaires while the world is burning around us. I was just a regular guy scrolling charts like everybody else. And now I'm up 18 grand in 3 days. The edge these platforms give you is actually real if you get in before the next big headline drops. They even have live BTC 5-minute up or down markets running the whole time, which is super fun and addictive to watch while all this Iran chaos is going on around us. Look, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. This is just what I've been doing, and it's been working insanely well with these Iran chaos probabilities. And I wanted to share it with you guys because it's actually crazy. If you want to see the same real-time whale moves and probability shifts that I've been using to actually make money, I dropped the link to the research community down in the description, so you can check it out whenever you want. No pressure at all. But a bunch of us are just chilling in there, sharing the data every single day. And it's honestly pretty addictive watching all the capital flow in real time like this. The whole situation in Iran is moving so ridiculously fast, and these platforms are literally the only thing that can actually keep up with it minute by minute without any lag. This is all for educational purposes only, of course. These markets involve real risk, and the probabilities can flip completely in just a few minutes, so please be careful. But man, watching the whale money reposition right before the headlines even hit is actually one of the most fascinating things I've ever seen. And it's been printing for me. I've literally been glued to these screens all week long, and the 18 grand I made is just the beginning if this chaos keeps going the way the markets are pricing it. Drop a comment right now and tell me what you think is gonna happen next with the Supreme Leader or the oil price, because I seriously read every single comment and replied to as many as I can. Smash that like button if you're already tracking these markets too, and I promise I'll keep dropping these quick updates every single time the probabilities make a big move like this. The fog of war is super thick right now, but the money opportunities on these platforms are actually clearer than they've ever been if you know exactly where to look. The link is right there in the description. Go join the community and see the exact same data that's been printing money for me these last 3 days straight. This war is literally creating new millionaires every day, and the only real question is whether you're gonna sit on the sidelines watching or actually jump in the game with the rest of us. I'm already fully positioned and up big time. Now it's your turn if you want to ride the same wave with me and actually make something happen while everything is this crazy. Probabilities change every single minute, so the sooner you check this out, the better chance you have at catching the next massive shift before everybody else even hears about it. Disclaimer one more time. This is all educational and research only. Please do your own due diligence because nothing is guaranteed in these markets, and you should always be careful. But damn, the last 3 days have seriously been the wildest and most profitable of my entire life. Just watching this whole thing unfold in real time on these platforms. Stay ahead of the headlines, guys, because the smart money is already moving fast, and that window is closing quicker than you think, so don't sleep on this. This is the real edge in 2026, and I'm sharing it with you because I wish somebody had shown me this sooner before I missed out on the first big moves. Link is right below. See you inside the hub, and let's make some serious money together while the world is still burning around us. The world is on fire right now, but your portfolio really doesn't have to be. This is exactly how you come out on top no matter what happens next. Peace out everybody, and I'm sending massive gains to all of you. Drop your thoughts in the comments right now, and I'll see you in the next update very soon.